Can you imagine having websites, sales funnels, automations, emails, SMS, CRMs, chatbots all in a single platform? That's GoHighLevel, a tool created for businesses and agencies that want to automate their marketing and manage clients in a much more professional way. Capture leads, automate follow-ups, close sales, and control everything from a single dashboard. The idea is simple: save time, automate processes, and grow a business much faster. Let me tell you, if you have absolutely no idea at all about the company we're going to talk about today, then your tech stack is completely broken. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. But luckily, 7 years ago in the city of Dallas, Texas, GoHighLevel appeared and was born, a comprehensive platform that today is used by more than 1 million diverse businesses worldwide. It facilitates more than $5.2 billion in total sales revenue just in the year 2025. And something absolutely crazy is that 95% of content creators in the Spanish-speaking market still don't know about it. This is the most powerful tool I have seen so far in an all-in-one platform, as it is called, and aidotha. It is one of the key ways that agencies with just 2 people can become multi-million-dollar or even billion-dollar companies. Right now, we are on its main dashboard, the primary engine through which we can navigate all the features. You are going to start with a full 14-day free trial, so please take advantage of this excellent opportunity to test exactly how much GoHighLevel can help you scale your business. And it is perfectly suitable for absolutely any type of business. In this specific case, let me introduce you to Dothamina. This is actually my agency representing influencers in the AI niche. So my agency requires a wide variety of complex features, not just a standard entry-level CRM. No, I'm talking about an entire infrastructure that helps me not only to capture leads, but also to reach out to new clients, to be able to write to them, present offers, and automate many internal processes within my company, which for privacy reasons I won't mention right now. But my agency is just one single example, because local businesses with highly intensive marketing efforts like clinics, gyms, or real estate really need these services as well. Or entrepreneurs who want to launch their own SaaS without having any knowledge of coding. Of course, agencies and freelancers who want to set up a scalable infrastructure without hiring any kind of developer. And here we would also include coaches, consultants, info product creators, and so on. So, for example, my own digital marketing agency is a perfect fit with GoHighLevel. And in my specific case, for example, I have right here a small customized CRM for tracking various opportunities with many different clients, and it tells me exactly what the current status is that they are in right now. I don't need 40 different spreadsheets or 40 people handling the accounting, and above all, I know exactly where each client stands, whether a client is qualified, if they've been contacted, if they're a new lead we're currently negotiating with, or if the deal has been closed or not yet. I can see all those various parameters that sometimes, are quite hard to keep track of, especially when it comes to having a detailed organizational chart so that everything is clearly defined and perfectly structured. In the exact same way, I can organize my contacts, whether I need them as creators, as agencies, or even for artificial intelligence projects. In the end, GoHighLevel seamlessly adapts to your type of business and has countless powerful tools that help you with this entire organizational structure, allowing you to organize your workflow very efficiently so you can be more productive while spending much less, and above all, saving time and being more effective. Just think that with this comprehensive dashboard with all the options we have, we're saving more than $1,200 to $1,500 each month. And why do I say that? You have a CRM, funnels, websites, and the ability to create and automate any type of workflow. You basically have one of the most professional community managers right here inside the platform. We have email marketing, something that, for example, I can tell you I've been using cold email with Python to reach a lot of potential leads. And thanks to the power of GoHighLevel, we're going to be able to reach many more new leads remotely, because until now, and I say this here on a very personal note, I actually needed dedicated setters, specific people who would write manually to the client and wait for their response, so that when the client finally replied, my setters could answer them immediately. We can disregard all of that, since what artificial intelligence agents are capable of doing is nowhere near what a human can do, not even if you try to replicate it with a group of 10 or 15 people. And that's not even mentioning the cost it would take to have those people try to replicate what these agents do, staying awake 24 hours a day. Because a lot of clients reply to me at 4 in the morning. Who's awake at 4 in the morning? You'll be able to create web pages, funnels, and online stores. And you'll be able to have a workflow like the one you're seeing right now on the screen, which is fully automated, where you only need to worry about the final operations. And the first thing I highly recommend you do when you get into GoHighLevel is to have your personalized onboarding call, which you'll have available to help you with your specific business case and adapt GoHighLevel to your needs. But hey, don't get overwhelmed. I know you have unanswered emails, WhatsApp messages piling up, your calendar is packed, or maybe the opposite. You can't find solutions to reach all those clients who are online and you just can't catch them. Your business grows, you don't sleep, each lead goes cold while you're trying to respond to the previous one, and at the end of the day, you haven't made any sales or gotten any rest. Imagine a system that captures every lead, qualifies them, responds to them, schedules them, and follows up, all without you lifting a finger. That's GoHighLevel, CRM, funnels, emails, SMS, all automated with AI. Your agency, your clinic, your SaaS running while you sleep. So please take a moment to relax and get comfortable. And we will now proceed with the video. To begin, let us look at the first section, which is the Launchpad, where you will enter all of your company information. You'll also add lead generation sources that you'll be able to obtain, as well as brands and billing information. Set up the website API, configure email services, calls, and so on. Something I haven't mentioned yet, and which is very interesting, is reselling. What does that mean? Essentially, this means that you'll be able to generate a profit margin with the various services GoHighLevel is offering you by reselling them at a much higher price. In the end, you can resell a wide variety of features that many modern businesses urgently require today, and you have the necessary means to provide and resell them, allowing you to start invoicing your customers directly and create your own SaaS business based on GoHighLevel. This way, you build your own complete infrastructure within it, featuring your website, your landing page, your CRM, and your clients, all while reselling powerful digital products and services that are all conveniently located within the same platform where you're operating. In the end, each sub-account is a client. The more clients you have, the more profit you'll be able to generate. In context, you'll be able to have your own comprehensive CRM, including specific tags indicating the individual client's status, where that client is located, the different tasks, so to speak, that are currently associated, and the current situation. You'll be able to create your own fully customized pipelines or set them up however you want, so you can have a complete organizational chart. This is mainly so you don't get lost when you're working here, and for example, when you have a specific project, you'll know exactly where it comes from, what industry it's from, whether we've already sent them a formal proposal, if we have a call scheduled, or if other conversations have taken place. Everything is fully automated and seamlessly integrated right here. And in the end, those are tags that you can add to segment your client. In the end, I want you to understand that this isn't just a CRM. It's an entire SaaS system that can be structured within your business. In my case, I use it to manage Dothamina, and ultimately it also saves me money and time because it allows me to centralize everything in a single tool instead of having 10, 12, or 15 different payments spread across various platforms. However, if you truly want us to keep talking about GoHighLevel in the second part, I'd really appreciate it if this video got a lot of support so we can focus on doing something truly interesting, creating something completely from scratch together and seeing step by step exactly how GoHighLevel can help us start generating real revenue and finally get rid of all those constant worries about which specific tool to use for what we need for each individual thing, and instead do everything in a centralized way right here. That being said, you'll find a link down below in the description where you can also start with your own free trial today. And with that, I'll say goodbye. I'm Dota, see you in the next video. Bye bye.